In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your chat background on Instagram. You can simply change your chat wallpaper on Instagram in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's say you want to change your chat wallpaper to something like this. You will have to long hold on any free space inside the chat. Then you will choose any theme you want. Any selected theme will automatically get updated as your chat wallpaper. The second option is to just tap onto the chat and then select this option of theme. Put in mind that the selected theme will only work on the selected chat. So don't expect to find your selected wallpaper anywhere except the chat you chose to appear. That's how easy it is to change chat wallpaper on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.